It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Life is hectic enough. Make the journey smoother in this Highlander. It was built for families and made for fun. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Entune external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com notes that tossing out minivans and V8-powered toy box hauling behemoths, the Highlander is likely the sweet spot for most. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.